So bafethu, as you can see, a lot of people would be confused by this. Yabo ukuthi kwenze kanjani ukuthi izitha ezidivosile zihlangane under one room and even sleep together. Well, I understand ukuthi it was their anniversary. Yeah, when Gabriel came to convince Felicia ukuthi bafuna baphume to a resort for the weekend. Yabo, so bahlale baspend isikhathi and do what they usually did on their anniversaries. Yabo, but kwi-episode yangolesihlanu bafethu, if you watched, i-episode iphele uGabriel sephuma endlini when Felicia wasn't convinced, when Felicia was rejecting ama-offer kaGabriel. And I just don't know how Felicia agreed ekugcineni ukuthi baphume ndawonye, because when I opened the episode yanamhlanje bafethu, all I saw first was them having to sleep together like this and be romantic. I'm like, hayibo, labantu abasebalala ndawonye nini manje, you understand? But ke I do think ukuthi uFelicia ugcine sevumileke bafethu, because sephuma uGabriel washo ukuthi uyacela kwenkosi ukuthi uFelicia ashintshe inhliziyo, ashintshele inhliziyo avume. And then I think uFelicia ke also agreed ukuthi baphume. But on the other side bafethu, eCape Town iziyakala futhi Maruna noBoko nabo, they having their own romantic situation lapha eCape Town. Yapheleli kuFelicia noBoko, kuyalapha na kuMaruna kuFelicia noGabriel, I mean akupheleli khona lapho ke kunalana futhi eCape Town ziyakhala. Hayi cha ke bafethu, zikhala yonke indawo, and these people both lie to each other. I mean uBonko noFelicia, uBonko doesn't know ukuthi uFelicia noGabriel, but ke uBonko had to lie to uFelicia ukuthi uzoba ne-retreat labana eCape Town. She's gonna go there for a while, policy ikhanda eCape Town for a young holiday maseyabuya. But ke buka kwenzakala neCape Town, ba romantic laba bantu laba nje, bahambe bayajolela kahle because bayabona ukuthi eGoli babangela umsindo. So moving on ke bafethu, Mpumi has been trying to call Gabriel, but Gabriel hasn't been answering her calls, I mean, yabo. Ngalena ke the concern is passed over to uWendy, yabo. So Mpumi ke is explaining to uWendy ukuthi uGabriel akabamba ama calls aMpumi, yabo, the whole weekend. Gabriel is nowhere to be found. But ke ngoba sesibonile ukuthi uGabriel unomkakhe uFelicia, yabo. So I don't think Gabriel actually cares about Mpumi at this point, yabo, because the last time I actually saw there was tension, Mpumi bexoshwa lapha ngamabhande ekhishwa lapha endlini. So I just don't get it why Mpumi still thinks ukuthi uGabriel usamfuna. Don't even understand why Mpumi is still chasing after uGabriel. You understand? So laphana ke kuWendy is concerned about an error nomination regarding Mpumi. I think there's a song ebekumele nominated kaMpumi laphana, but there was an error regarding that song. So moving on ke, uGabriel is grateful to Felicia for spending the weekend with him. Uyasho lapha ukuthi uyabonga for a weekend, you understand? And this guy was romantic all the way, guys. He gave this guy his Oscar. Angemthanda uGabriel about the character that he's portraying Genesis, but I feel like this guy is actually, he knows what he's actually doing. He knows his story. So moving on bafethu ke, uthi Felicia ngiyasakwazi ukuhlala a bit longer because uNoah unesikole and she wants to reach the house before Bonko ever comes back. But I think she knows ukuthi Bonko is coming back the same day she is gonna come back, because I don't think Felicia expected to go out on a date, or let me say a retreat no Gabriel over the weekend. You understand? So uyasho lapha ukuthi she can stay longer, but she's also grateful for having such a good weekend, spending their anniversary no Gabriel lapha in the resort. Yabo, so she has to go. Yabo, unfortunately she can't stay long, you understand? So Gabriel, you understand ukuthi kumele ahambe umama wabantu afike endlini before Bonko afika, because if ezofika uBonko angafiki, she's gonna get herself into trouble. So moving on ke bafethu, yamanibona bafethu, this was a morning jog by omakhelwane baka Ishmael noMafitso. So the first time these people came in, they came in, they checked in lapha no-apartment yabo entsha, furniture up, everything was good. And then lama lady awu-2 enobona kwisithombe bafethu introduced themselves to Mafethu no-Ishmael yabo. So they are back from a jog. So these ladies want them to join them on a Soweto marathon jog. But ke u-Ishmael ke ubefuna ukubonga housewarming ababanike yona, because they had a party, they had fun. And this lady in this picture seems to be interested in Ishmael. Judging from that look, she seems to be interested in Ishmael. You understand? I think she is crushing hard go Ishmael. But Ishmael kept his focus. We are sure to housewarming and for letting these people welcome them with warm hearts, because bebengawelcomanga ngabantu Ishmael noma Mafethu ngaphandle umfundisi ufikile bafethu lana wazothalazela indlu, but these people actually welcomed them, they gave them a warm welcome inside the apartment. So ke bebehleli ukuthi bazodlala amakhadi, play 30 seconds, play games and have a games night, so yeah. But that lady ke she was the main focus, ukuthi ngiyamthanda uIshmael. So moving on, bafethu Maruna is back from Cape Town, sebuyile lapha kwaSilibenga, so uma ibuya bafethu uEndi kuyamtshela ukuthi hebana uGabriel bafethu unyamalela akaziwe ukuthi ukuphi, and uMpumi is worried sick about uGabriel. So Maruna uyayixaka lapha waxaya ukuthi why nacinga uGabriel kangaka, why does he care about Gabriel kangaka? I understand that, because it's none of our concern. But because Mpumi bafethu is the one who's in love with Gabriel, she is the one who is worried about Gabriel. So Uendi had to ask Maruna something about an era nomination, you understand, regarding the Gospel Awards. So I think Gabriel actually reached something lapana. He reached something, wasusa igama lika Mpumi as the songwriter of a song, and then wafaka igama lakhe under some role. So I think there's something going on, something is fishy lapana, I understand. I think they actually backstabbing or betraying Mpumi kancane bamkhipha Mpumi lapana, uyabona. I think it's a way Gabriel ukuthi Mpumi aphume kuyena, uyabona, because his main focus lately was Gabriel. So as you can see in the picture bafethu, uFelicia ufikile, but I think ufika naye uBonko, because uBonko saw ikhwama lapha nama suitcase. So Bonko had to ask ukuthi what was happening ngoba nje uphuma nama suitcase. Felicia had to lie and say it was a weekend retreat, because uBonko does not know ukuthi uFelicia ube no Gabriel, but ke uFelicia knows very well ukuthi uBonko ube no Maruna, but ke uFelicia is keeping it cool, but at the same time she was also guilty ukuthi phela naye behambile wayohlala waba romantic no Gabriel. Into angayifuni ke vele kuBonko leyo, because she knows ukuthi whenever she tells Bonko it's gonna be a fight, it's gonna be trouble, because uBonko hates Gabriel with all his heart, understand. So they continue speaking about an album Felicia, you understand. Asho ukuthi utholele uFelicia i-slot sokuperforma eCape Town uBonko. So Felicia might be performing in Cape Town very soon, because bamtholele i-slot, which is actually good news, but ke wabili bayafihlelana labantu laba ke. So moving on ke bafethu, Mpumi semtholele uGabriel, but uGabriel does not seem interested or concerned about Mpumi. So Gabriel had to ask Mpumi ukuthi how many songs did she write over the weekend? Did she introduce or meet the new artist lapha eRevelation? Mpumi azakwenza lokho because she was worried sick about uGabriel. We understand. So uMpumi kubelokhu ebuza ngoGabriel, but uGabriel ke lokho emtshela ukuthi yena akafocus emsebenzini wakhe, because she's a songwriter lapha, she has to write songs. Angalokho embuza about his life, his personal life. And uGabriel uze washo ukuthi uMpumi must stop policing uGabriel and stop calling uGabriel, because uMpumi sent call to Gabriel 47 times, 47 missed calls. That's crazy. So moving on ke, uFelicia bafethu is hearing the good news ukuthi naseTech Rank bakhuluma nge-album yakhe. So Bonko has been working on Felicia's album ne-promotion futhi album kaFelicia. So uyamtshela lapha ukuthi i-album yakhe is being spoken about all over, and uFelicia kuyajabula ke, which is good news to her. But at the same time ke uFelicia knows deep down ukuthi uBonko was up to yabona, she knows what Bonko was up to during the weekend. So yazibusisa laphana ukuthi how was Cape Town, indawo adebelele kuyona, yabona, ibinjani and whatsoever. So uyasho Bonko ukuthi the place was actually good, yabona, and she'd like to take Felicia along next time. So uFelicia yabuza ukuthi okay, since wena ufuna ungithatha along so vakashe Cape Town, uMaruna yena umshiya kuphi? Hey, Bongo was quite guilty, you understand? He was quite guilty for a minute, yabo, embuza ukuthi since ke yena ke yabo ezohamba naye uMaruna ke usala kuphi? Uyosala nobani Maruna? ngoba nje eCape Town, you understand? So baqhubeka bekhuluma nge-album, you understand? I think it was Felicia telling uBonko ukuthi good work deserves good credit, because uBonko has been pushing uFelicia and pushing Felicia's album, yabona, and uFelicia appreciates lokho, you understand? But ke the question still stands ukuthi uMaruna yena uzombeka happy bangabe eCape Town, because uFelicia akamfuni uMaruna and akamfuni nje ahambe naye kuleyo Cape Town leyo, because it won't happen, it can't happen futhi under Felicia's nose, yabo. So moving on ke bafethu, uMaruna is back to tell Mpumi ukuthi she must watch out, because there is a song that she wrote which has an era nomination lapha nama Gospel Awards. So that song is under Gabriel's name now, uyabona, meaning Mpumi won't get ama royalties at Revelation Records. But Mpumi doesn't want to listen, you understand? Akafuni ukulalela Mpumi, she is blindfolded by uGabriel. You understand? Okay, uthatha ilingoma umsebenzi kaMpumi wafaka ngaphansi kwegama lakhe, you understand? And ke it said ukuthi uSAMRO, South African Music Reserves Organization, I think, wouldn't make an error like that ukuthi bathatha ingoma yomuntu under someone's name and put it under someone else's name. Shuthi Gabriel ke ubenomsebenzi behind that. Mpumi was thinking ukuthi uMaruna noWendy were gossiping about her. Then she stood up and then wabashiya. So Mpumi doesn't want to listen ukuthi uGabriel uzomropa, because Maruna is an experienced artist. Uzomropa uGabriel, and take all the royalties, because Mpumi is saying Maruna ama royalties wakhe kadliwa abathabethe, she did not get hers. But Maruna is a well-experienced artist. So moving on, it's game night. When it's game night, one of this lady's friends, yabo, enhle kumngani wakhe la behleli naye lapha, because it's a 2x2 situation, yabo, did this lady ukuthi aqabule uIshmael. I think these friends actually know ukuthi uSibanibani ufuna uSibanibani ufuna uSibanibani. I think the other one is going to be Mafito's girlfriend. But Lorna is very interested in Ishmael. So this lady went on to kiss Ishmael. Ishmael is feeling uncomfortable because he knows ukuthi he is dating uNobuhle, and the more he overdoes things, he's gonna get into trouble, Nobuhle. So apparently they kissed, but Ishmael felt guilty, being comfortable regarding that kiss, and it was funny how Mafitoto was also hyping this thing up, understand? So this guy might be getting into trouble anytime soon for kissing other ladies and being found with other ladies in his apartment. But that lady loves Ishmael Bafethu. I just can't wait to see the rollout with Uzonzala next. So moving on, Bafethu, the lovebirds have connected again. So Bonko Maruna Gelapa, they're just having a good time. So Maruna is telling Ubonko ukuthi, hey, Mpumi is blindfolded by Gabriel and she's not watching out, she's not opening her eyes regarding Gabriel. Gabriel is using Mpumi, if you know, but she can't seem to open her eyes and realize that she has been used regarding her royalties, her era nominations, and Gabriel having to put the song under his name, you understand? So Maruna gets told Ubonko ukuthi she misses the booth. She misses the push. She regrets having to sign a Revelation bump bench for a week and her having not to work on a song there, you understand? Ingoma is successful, so uyafuna ubuyela record and ushilo ukuthi they can fix that, but they ended up being playful, and Maruna was actually curious on how Bonko can fix that. So I'm guessing Maruna is going to be back to the booth sooner than we expect. So moving on, Felicia, obviously she knows ukuthi Maruna has been hanging out with Bonko and these guys are back into having a relationship again. So ubize Uthandi is a colleague lapana at Genesis Records. So there was some documents and papers, you understand, for a new frontier. I think it's something having to do na say Ghana. I don't know if they want to take Maruna to Ghana or whatsoever, but it was about a new frontier. So Felicia had to call Uthandi through to help her out, ship out Umaruna. So basically, Felicia doesn't want to see Umaruna in the country, like South Africa anymore. Ufuna Umaruna ephumile la eMzansi. Ufuna Umaruna ephumile eMzansi. In that way, uzohlukana neGenesis Umaruna, uzohlukana noBonko futhi, because uFelicia ngamfuna la hambe khona ever since this thing yokuthi uGabriel wamithisa uMaruna emithisa ngoPhila. Phila was the late child who actually passed on Maruna. Yabona, up until they found out the truth. And Felicia since then hated Maruna all her life. Yabo. So Felicia is trusting Uthando ukuthi aship out to Maruna, because Maruna trusts Uthandi compared to Felicia, because she knows ukuthi with Felicia Maruna's gonna find out yabo ngokushesha ukuthi Felicia is behind this thing of shipping her out. You understand? So this is what happened bafethu kule episode namhlanje. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe bafethu. Yabo, thank you.